Hello everyone. Many customers are unsure how to install the FERP softener. This video will guide you step by step. The system includes control valve, resin tank, resin, brine suction tube, distributor, and other parts. The control valve is the core of the system. It connects to the inlet, outlet, drain, and brine suction lines. First, install the O-ring on the valve base. Fix the valve body onto the resin tank. Adjust the tank so the control panel faces forward. Remove the control valve again. Connect the lower distributor to the center pipe. Insert them into the middle of the tank. The lower distributor is pre-installed at our factory. The center pipe should be leveled with the tank opening, with a 2-5 mm difference. The plug is used to seal the pipe openings to prevent leakage. The funnel is used to load the resin into the tank. This prevents impurities from entering. After installation, the funnel and pipe plug are removed. In addition, the upper water distributor is tightened to the control valve. Then the O-ring is replaced and the valve body is tightened to the tank body. Please find the location of the control valve water inlet and outlet. You need to connect them to the water inlet and outlet pipes respectively. 3 ball valves on the water inlet and outlet pipes are installed to facilitate system maintenance. If inlet pressure exceeds 0.6 megapascal, add a pressure-reducing valve before the inlet. When the flow controller is installed in the outlet pipe, the flow meter socket of the control valve is inserted into the flow jack. Install the sampling valve, outlet valve, and bypass valve in the outlet pipe. It is convenient for trial operation, replacement of filter media, and inspection of tank. The drain outlet of the control valve is found to connect the drain outlet with UPVC pipe or hose. The drain pipe of the control valve should not be too long. You need to find the brine suction port to connect one end of the brine tube to it and place the other end into the salt well in the brine tank. Connect the power adapter. Follow proper steps during installation. Now the system is ready to use. Please pay attention to some tips. First, the salt box column needs to be filled with salt and filled with water for the first use. Second, it is recommended to use PAR or PVC pipes when installing pipes. Third, avoid using aluminum plastic pipes. The above is the installation of our fiberglass softening water system. If you have any questions, please follow me and leave a message.